Well, welcome back to the channel. It's November the 22nd, opening morning of rifle season. So it's 5:30. I'm heading out to my deer stand. So I'm gonna try to bring you along with me, get some videos. So wish me luck. Well, welcome back. I got two this morning. I got a buck and a doe this morning, and here in Oklahoma, we're allowed to shoot two does and a buck. So I'm gonna go back and try to get me a doe to fill my freezer up. I didn't get to film any of it because they came up from behind me, and I couldn't get it up, turned around and set up, so I just busted them. But I do got a picture of them on back of my four-wheeler. I had to go down a big old holler to get them out, and that was a job. So we got them at the processor. So it's 1:25 in the evening now, so I'm gonna go back and hunt until dark. It's my doe tags up. Then if I do that, I might go back out with my crossbow because I still got a buck and doe tags on that. So bring it along with me. So I'll try to get some more videos this afternoon. Okay, I'm back down here. I'm gonna try sneaking here back to my deer stands and get me another doe. So wish me luck with this here gunshot. I like an AR. But alright, I'm gonna sneak down here real quick. There used to be a deer stand out there, but it's pretty rotten now. And I didn't see no hogs this morning. I was surprised. Sit down. the ridge over there. So I'm gonna get off here and get up here. I'll catch back up with you guys later. There's my feed, my block I put out. Well, it's Sunday. I went out this morning and I didn't see anything really I wanted to try to get. I've seen a couple of small ones, but I mean, this video, I'm going to try to get it posted today. So if you guys would, please like and subscribe. We'll catch you all on the next one.